Flinchbot Engineering is an employee-owned manufacturing company that has been in business since 1978. Their campus includes 4 buildings of manufacturing. They are located just off of Route 30 in East York.
Flinchbot Engineering is employee-owned and employs over 300 employees, mostly machining operators. They produce machined metal parts like large bearings and housings, and transmission components. Some are as large as a person.
The types of CNC machines Flinchbot Engineering uses are lathes, machine centers, grinders, and shapers. Their company has over 150 CNC machines in 4 different buildings, which are each set up to make different products.
What's so cool about manufacturing? That's a great question. It's the ability to make things that people need all over the world and to find the most creative and economical way to do it. Flinchbot Engineering is a contract manufacturer of precision metal parts. We machine parts that go into transmissions, engines, wind turbine assemblies.
Have you ever wondered what a fidget spinner and a wind turbine had in common? Both have a sensory component called a bearing that allows them to spin.
Precision CNC machining is when we take a piece of metal and we remove material from it to end up with a precision part.